All right, in this demo, we're gonna use some tools. Let's see. So first I'll start the bot, right? Have to wait a bit so it loads in. Here, it's fine, it's online now. And I'll ask, so by asking it something, we can see here, these are all the tools that I'm sending it. And it decided to search weather in Valencia today. It got a bunch of results. And again, it goes second time and has the function calculator, search on platform updates. So again, all these tools that I mentioned in the article, and you get the final result. So the weather in Valencia today is sunny, with temperature 31 Celsius, there's 0% of precipitations. And also, like in the article, in the section where I describe about debugging, I also enable the debugging. So I can know, like, there are 1,700 tokens roughly used, and there were 2 requests. So, yep, that's how it uses the Google search tool.